So you want to download PowerWash Simulator 2 on your PC without overspending? Don't worry, I have a workaround for you to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games legally online through official platforms. So what we will do, open your Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the next step will be quickly going to the Steam website to locate this game, and after that we will continue to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website. After that we will search up the game PowerWash Simulator 2. Select the game, open the game page and scroll a little bit down till we will find the game PowerWash Simulator 2. As you can see, there is a free demo available, but we would like to download the full game. Now, the price on Steam is €24.99, but don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is open the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game PowerWash Simulator, then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now we need to look for a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text over here is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Now then, after that you can select the game, open the game page, and once you have opened the game page you will find out that we can already download this game for just €12.77 compared to the Steam price of €24.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now the next step will be purchasing this game through this website, and then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!